So the next slider we must talk about is the rotation slider. So on this we have nothing but presets, and all it has to deal with is how it rotates whenever you press R. So by default I believe it's on 15, meaning that if we were to just draw a shape and we press R, we see that we're snapping at 15-degree increments. We could always just pause it, press D, jump in and change this to something like 90, and we press R and we see that we're actually snapping to 90. But in the event that you want to snap it to something finer, even during rotate, you can hold shift and it will allow you to override the rotation to actually do some fine rotation. So sometimes you can get it almost approximate, and then you may have to rotate it just slightly to get it exactly where you want. But just in case you ever need to customize it, you're able to do that on the fly just by holding shift. If we click on 30, we see that we're back at 30, and by just canceling that shape and redrawing it, we can now rotate our shape at 30. So rotation is there just to help you find a rotation amount snap that works for you whenever it comes to simplifying the rotation in Boxcutter. And all the options are presets because more than likely you just want to get in, click which one you need, and get back to work.